The vampire is already to America.
Get ready for the launch of a new phenomenon.
Blast off! Fasten your seatbelt. It's gonna be a bumpy ride.
Paramount Pictures and Nickelodeon present
Gonna blast.
Jimmy Neutron, Boy Genius.
Does anybody know where we can get a lot of raw plutonium?
Paramount Pictures and Nickelodeon do not advocate the preteen use of plutonium.
Whoops.
This is Jimmy's Family.
Jimmy Neutron, you marcher.
Oh, now, Sugar Booger.
Oh, don't you sugar booger me.
Sugar Booger.
No. Not this thing. No.
Booger.
This is his dog.
Goddard is a custom-built cybernetic canine with an optical fiber neural.
Yeah, that's really interesting, Jimmy. Humphrey can play dead.
Play dead, Goddard. Good boy, Goddard.
This
This is my hypno beam.
is his Hypno Beam.
Observe. Go, Jimmy, go!
And this
DNA match confirmed.
is the sneak preview of his new movie.
James Isaac Neutron, you get yourself down here this instant.
Oh, you gotta admit, that is pretty neat.
Don't try that at home.
Series 2001. Only from Paramount.
You never do anything right. You never put anything in it right. No wonder everyone calls you failure.
A boy named Charlie Brown, the world-famous comic strip character Charlie Brown in his first full-length motion picture. Charlie Brown, the Snoopy, Linus, Sally Brown, Big Ben, Schroeder, Lucy Van Pelt, and the rest of the Peanuts gang in their first full-length motion picture.
Charlie Brown did it! That has a lovely ring. Something to make the four-column headline, something against counting. Champion Charlie Brown, inspired, setting the whole wide world on fire. Why all the bags break out some confetti, cause all the bells to sound. He's gotta be most definitely Champion Charlie Brown. Champion Charlie Brown. Champion Charlie Brown. Good grief.
No, only for Paramount.
It's Nick Jr. Here comes the show now. Nick Jr.'s on video. Get ready, get set, let's go. It's Nick Jr. on video.
Available now on video. Look for Nick Jr.'s newest shows. From Bill Cosby and Nick Jr. comes Little Bill, who shows everyone it's great to be 5.
Good morning. Good morning. It's a happy day today.
Not the D word. That's so
How do we get to the little blue
scary.
tree?
Blue's
And there's no
Clues is way
shortage of
better
play
than
on
that
Adventure with
scary
Dora the
D
Explorer.
word. So is Little Bear.
Everybody, let's go.
Both available now on video cassette. Also look for Little Bear. Be a detective with Little Sherlock Bear. A mystery for Detective Little Bear. Think along with Steve to find out what Blue wants and all kinds of signs, and playtime with Periwinkle. 2 new videos from Blue's Clues.
Thank you so much for all your help today.
You can collect them all on home video. Plus, keep an eye out for Blue's first feature-length hit, Blue's Big Musical Movie, on video cassette and DVD.
It's Nick Jr. Here comes the show now. Nick Jr.'s on video.
Now on video, only from Paramount. Well, Paramount and all that.
Maurice Sendak's Little Bear.
Hello down there.
And now there's even more to love. Because Little Bear is starring in his first feature-length film.
Yay!
It's the Little Bear movie.
You're funny, Little Bear.
You can join Little Bear and his pals as they help their new friend Cub find his way back home.
Oh, can I go too?
We can all go. Follow me.
Featuring 2 new songs. It's Little Bear's first feature-length movie, coming this summer. Available only on video and DVD.
Only from Paramount. The following video is already to Omega, that's rated G. From Paramount and Nickelodeon movies.
Hold on, guys. I got the wedding.
Rugrats in Paris, the movie.
Here we go.
The Rugrats are going to Paris. And Paris will never be the same. Rugrats in Paris, the movie.
You're just as dumb over sneeze as you are at home. Somebody got up on the wrong side of the bread.
Now available on DVD and video, only from Paramount.
Your votes are in! You've selected the 10 best Rugrats episodes of the past decade. The new Rugrats 10th Anniversary Decade in Diapers Collector's Edition. 10 Rugrats episodes you love the best of all time, now on 2 videos.
This is the greatest thing that's ever happened.
Share the laughter, the fears,
We're doomed.
the adventures,
Follow me, go where no baby's ever gone before.
the diapers. The Rugrats Decade in Diapers. The 10 best Rugrats episodes ever in a 2-volume collector's edition. As chosen by... No, you, and you. And here's another reason to celebrate. Look for the Rugrats like you've never seen them before. In All Grown Up. Coming soon to video. So celebrate the Rugrats 10th anniversary with a Decade in Diapers collector's edition. And the Rugrats All Grown Up. Coming to video this summer.
Only from Paramount.
And now we're pleased to bring you our feature presentation.
That is only for non-commercial, private, resident homes, any popular form of the use or copy first authorized under copyright waivers.
Gathered across some 2,700 No Kings rallies in cities from coast to coast, according to organizers. Trump responding via social media, posting an AI-generated video depicting a crowned Trump flying a King Trump jet, and sharing another
Paramount.
President J.D. Vance showing Trump placing a crown on his head. From Los Angeles to Chicago to New York's Times Square, a common refrain. Who brings you out here today?
Kipper dog, tiger tails.
They call it Kipper.
The camping trip run by George and based on books by Nick Doran.